Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets. Now the reason why we're using the $25 all-in-one digital business is because of its affiliate system in particular. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring income, absolutely the highest I ever heard. I mean, every little dollar that you get into them, keep 80% of it. Fantastic deal. So I like to promote this. This is the best deal I've seen, period, in any affiliate system ever. So that's why I like promoting it. So if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, let's look at our results here. Looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page to show real results, guys. So do not believe results if they don't refresh the page. It's very easy to change numbers around to look like whatever they want it to look like. All right, guys? So anyway, guys, what we're going to do, hit the refresh button. All right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Totally fine, not a big deal, not too worried about it. And we just gonna continue on like ever. You know, we build up. That's the idea. We build back up. As if you know, I used to promote this product for a while, and then I just suddenly stopped for like 3 or 4 months. I just stopped promoting it entirely because of some real life stuff I had to deal with. I just completely forgot all about it, to be honest with you. But now I'm back. I'm trying to get back into it. Okay, so what you want to do is get your links first. That's what we're going to show you how to do here. This is the link that I use in particular, the all-in-one business sales letter here. There's a link in the description, incomespeech.com. You click on that, it's going to take you to this page here. It's the same thing. It's basically the same link. Incomespeech.com sounds a whole lot better than like Academy Sound Card Referral, AOE, TG, whatever. You know what I mean? That's why I changed the domain name. So anyway, this page here in particular is gonna talk about the all-in-one digital business, guys. It's gonna tell you everything about it. How much money you can make, all the products in it, whatever it is, what it is in general, what the product is in general, which is funnel builder. Very good funnel builder actually, and I use it myself in particular. Yeah, it don't got no limits on it for $25, which is fantastic. So yeah, and you can connect. It's very easy to connect the emailer for all that stuff. So that's the reason why I like it, why I use it in particular. All right, so yeah, once you get to this page here, you decide, hey, on this major decision, I want to try this out, right? So you click on yes, I want in. And once you click on yes, I want in, it's going to take you to this page here. You put all your information in and all that good stuff, all that. One more thing I want to speak on is this product here, which is training, all kinds of training for Facebook ads and YouTube, blogging, post, LinkedIn, solo ads, whatever it is you need to train on. You want to promote this product ad, right? We're doing something a lot more easy, simple, but if you want the training, you can train it, and it's constantly updated, by the way. Also, they have AI content creation machine. Basically, it creates content for you, which is fantastic as well, which I use a lot personally. So anyway, guys, you use all that, and you can get it for free for 14 days here. Now, the cool thing about this is that you click on this, get it for 14 days for free. You get a sale for $100 per month, and you get to keep that sale even though you haven't paid yet. You know what I'm saying? So that's fantastic, dude. So that's all it is to that. Now, once you get your links and stuff, you sign in, do all the stuff, get your right. The next thing you want to do is go to the mailing system here. It's going to be the link in the description. I meant to say go to the Mind Lead Gen Secret. And it's going to be the link in the description here. Now, once you sign in for My Lead Gen Secrets, you want to go to the mailing system. Sorry about that, I messed up. But once you go into here and Go click on mailing system, click on all your links. You're only gonna have 100 links at first. I got a ton now, but you're only gonna have 100 at first. And don't worry about that because it's easy to get sales right away. So don't worry about it. And then that's all it is. That we're just gonna upload an email here. Just put that in here. Boom, real simple, real easy. I'm gonna let you copy the email if you want to. Just pause the video, copy it, the whole email. Very easy, simple. Put your link right here, guys. Put your link right here. Make sure to hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around time people check. Better chance of them opening it. Make sure to preview and make sure your link works, guys. So click on this, make sure the link works. Link does work. All right. So you just close this, you send the email, and you are done, guys. And that took me in particular 5 minutes to do. It took me about 5-6 minutes to do, and that's me recording this video explaining everything to you, right? I assume that you guys get into the motion, you get all your emails in the system. It's not gonna take y'all anywhere near. You know what I mean? That's just all it is. It's gonna take you about 30 seconds to upload it, and boom, hit the button and send it off. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, like I stated before, if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description explaining everything. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.